Accommodate. It's a verb, meaning to provide lodging or space for someone or something, to fit in with someone's wishes or needs. Occurrence. It's a noun, meaning an event or incident, especially one that is noteworthy or unusual. Embarrassment. It's a noun, meaning a feeling of self-consciousness, shame, or awkwardness. Harassment. It's a noun, meaning aggressive pressure or intimidation, typically repeated over time, often targeting someone based on race, gender, or other characteristics. Separate. It's an adjective, meaning not joined or connected, distinct or individual. It's also a verb, meaning to move or divide apart something that is connected or combined. Definitely. It's an adverb, meaning without doubt or uncertainty, certainly. Occasion. It's a noun, meaning a particular time or instance of an event, a reason or cause for doing something. Privilege. It's a noun, meaning a special right, advantage, or immunity granted or available only to a particular person or group. Millennium. It's a noun, meaning a period of 1,000 years. Dilemma. It's a noun, meaning a situation in which a difficult choice has to be made between two or more alternatives, especially equally undesirable ones. Supersede. It's a verb, meaning to take the place of a person or thing previously in authority, or use, to replace. Maintenance. It's a noun, meaning the process of maintaining or preserving something, or the state of being maintained. Manuver. It's a noun, meaning a movement or series of moves requiring skill and care, a planned action aimed at gaining an advantage. It's also a verb, meaning to move skillfully or carefully, to direct or guide someone or something in a planned manner. Entrepreneur. It's a noun, meaning a person who organizes and operates a business, taking on greater than normal financial risks in order to do so. Bureaucracy. It's a noun, meaning a system of government or organization in which decisions are made by state officials rather than by elected representatives, excessive administrative procedures or paperwork. Conscience. It's a noun, meaning an inner feeling or voice viewed as acting as a guide to the rightness or wrongness of one's behavior. A lot. It's a pronoun, a determiner, an adverb, or a noun, meaning a large number or amount, a great deal. Broccoli. It's a noun, meaning a vegetable with dense, green clusters of small flower buds and stems that are eaten as a vegetable. Connoisseur. It's a noun, meaning an expert judge in matters of taste, particularly in the fine arts or in matters of culinary enjoyment. Harass. It's a verb, meaning to subject someone to aggressive pressure or intimidation, typically over a prolonged period. Neighbor. It's a noun, meaning a person who lives next door to or near another person. Questionnaire. It's a noun, meaning a set of printed or written questions with a choice of answers, devised for the purposes of a survey or statistical study. Recommend. It's a verb, meaning to suggest or endorse someone or something as being suitable or worthy of consideration. Nauseous. It's an adjective, meaning affected with nausea, inclined to vomit. Vacuum. It's a noun, meaning a space entirely devoid of matter, a gap left by the loss, departure, or death of someone or something.